Are you tired of chasing endless prospects only to hear no at the end? How would you like to attract your ideal prospects to come to you? In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about attraction marketing, attracting your ideal prospects to come to you, even if you're brand new, even if you're a beginner. Hi, my name is Anna Strofnik, and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to chase or beg any prospects to join them, and instead attract qualified ideal prospects to them and have a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here every single week I share a new episode helping you with growing your network marketing business. And also I have attraction marketing free bootcamp, and in the description of this video you can go ahead and register for that too. The biggest thing they tell you in old school network marketing is that everyone is your prospect. I just came across this post where a girl was saying how she sends 200 cold messages every single day and gets hardly any response. And I was like, okay, so what was that those coaches told her and advised her? So instead of telling her, don't do cold market prospecting, don't be sending those copy-paste scripts, it's a complete waste of time. Instead, they just told her, oh, you're just not talking to the right people. You're not talking to the people who are like you. And I almost cried because I know, can you imagine how much time it takes to send 200 prospecting messages every single day? I never did that consistently. I did it for 100 every day for a certain period of time. And I'm ashamed that I actually did that and I did it for so long. But this does not work. It's spammy. It's complete waste of time. When I started attraction marketing, it was like, stop prospecting. It doesn't work. It's a waste of time. So I stopped prospecting and my business actually started to grow. In attraction marketing, you're learning how to attract your ideal prospects to come to you, raise their hand, ask a question, and then join your business. It's so much more simple. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 steps on what you need to learn attraction marketing. So in attraction marketing, it's 3 steps. In old school network marketing, it's hundreds different steps. Just imagine, you've got to find your prospect. You're probably creating that list of 100 if you're a beginner in network marketing. You got to find your prospects. You got to show them the presentation, follow up, schedule that call. They no-show, ghost you. You got to reschedule. You got to make sure that they show up. And it's constantly chasing. And then out of like 200 people, how many end up joining? And then you have to close, you have to overcome objections. People ghost you, people hate on you because who are you? Why are you sending me this message? So you have to go through this whole process that nobody told you. They're like, oh, it's just easy. This is our simple system. Just invite, have them to watch the presentation and get them on a 3-way call. But they don't teach you anything in between. They don't teach you those skills on how you have to be that great salesperson to get them from step by step, get them to that last point of the conversation. So no wonder network marketers get burnt out and they just quit. You've probably heard that term. Oh, it's just numbers game. Just keep going. Just keep going. It was the same like that girl that they told to just keep going, even though she's sending 200 prospecting messages per day, not getting any response. Oh, you're just talking to the wrong people, but keep going. Oh my gosh. Only last month, I had 17 customers and 3 upgrades out of those customers, and I didn't talk to a single person. This is how attraction marketing is, and especially when you have automation that you can get being an attraction marketer, so you don't even have to talk to the prospects, or you just talk to the most qualified ones. And here are the 3 steps to become attraction marketer. Number 1 is attract, 2 influence, 3 enroll. Step number 1, attract. You're going to pick one target audience you're going to be promoting yourself to, and then there's 3 different levels on how you're going to be attracting your audience to you. Number 1 is doing it actively. So you actively reaching out to people. Now you're not prospecting, you're making connections, building relationships without that end in mind that you're going to be asking them and pitching them in the end. All you're doing is you're just building that network, you're growing it, but you're connecting with new people, with your cold audience. And then as they see your content, they're going to be actually reaching out to you if they're interested for further. So you're just going to be genuinely building relationships. Number two is doing it in a leveraged way where you and your team are doing the same thing. And then number three is doing it with automation. That's where the magic happens, because now you don't have to be talking to anyone. You're now attracting your ideal prospects. Number two, influence. You're going to be building influence through the content that you're posting, through your videos, reels, written posts. All of that is by bringing value to them, becoming that valuable source that they're like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what so and so posted, because they're giving me so much value. I love their content. They're entertaining, they're educational. I love seeing what goes on behind the scenes in their lives. And yeah, I might peek at, as well, at what they're doing and what products they're recommending, because I just enjoy and like them so much. So you're going to be doing that. You're going to be building influence. And in old school way, you are not the value. The value is your products and your company. So that's how they teach you to promote products, to promote the company, to join the team. But in the end, they're not finding, even if they join, they're not finding you a valuable source. Not that you're not valuable, but you're not that valuable source. Why they're joining? They're actually joining because of the products. They're joining because of the company, because of your upline or whatever. In attraction marketing, you are actually becoming that valuable source. So they're going to start joining you and wanting to join you, and not even knowing what company you're in, what products you promote, because they want to work with you. So this is where the magic happens. I have people joining my team that have no idea what company I'm in, and they just join because they want to be working with me. They want to build attraction marketing. The third step is enroll. Now, this is where people are already raising their hands, wanting to work with you. You're going to take them through the enrollment process. I'm going to attach the episode here about how to close, because it is an easy process. It's much easier to enroll somebody who is already interested versus the ones that you're chasing. But there's also a process that it's better to follow, so those people that join you become loyal to you and they're very motivated to continue building the business. Was this helpful? And if you'd like to learn more about attraction marketing, I have a free attraction marketing bootcamp. It's exactly the same bootcamp that I went through when I first got started with this. And you can click the link somewhere around this video to get registered. My question for you is, how do you currently attract your prospects to come to you? Drop me your answer in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. Consider subscribing for more content like this.